Hello, hello. In 1985, Oshorin, one of the best bird watching in Israel, and me, as a photographer, Meir Martin, we decided to publish the book Desert Birds of Israel. It was the first book in the world in photo to identify bird. Because I love the desert and I spent so long time in a desert, one species that it was the most is the lappet face vulture. The two vulture that's basically only two exist in the nature of Israel in those days. Only two, male and female. And every year when they having the egg, they used to take the egg from the nest, incubator, and make them as a new generation. In the zoo with one of the professor over there then is well known how to do that. So I have to capture these two birds before they will become extinct from the nature of Israel. And whatever we did, we went to the dead cow and I was staying over there and I tried to capture the birds. Nothing. They didn't come over. And then one day I'm traveling with my friend to Eilat, and it was a long story over there what happened. And we're driving on the highway on our way to Eilat, south of Israel. And here is the two lappet face vulture 40 yards from the road. I made a U-turn. I took the camera, Nikon F3 with a manual focus with a 250 frame magazine with a 1000mm manual, and I captured this picture. This is the last pictures of those couple in nature. After I published the book, Desert Birds of Israel in 1986, they notified me, then two of them found dead in the desert. This is the story of luck. Thank you very much for watching. Meir Martin. See more video like this every couple days. Thank you very much. Meir Martin. Visit my website www.meirmartin.com. You have a good day.